STRETCH stands for Students Reaching Excellence Through Collaborations in Higher Education. STRETCH is an early exposure program for high school students to get them interested in career paths in healthcare. So we have breakout sessions that are interactive, lab-based kind of activities that focus on specific aspects of medicine, so the students get to learn more about what it means to be a healthcare practitioner. We do things from general medicine all the way down to rehabilitation. Through this programming, we help provide students with information on how to make colleges affordable. We also help them to understand the college admissions process, as well as to understand things they should be looking at in terms of why a school may be a good fit for them versus another school.
We're proud to partner with TU's STRETCH program because it's designed to increase the number of healthcare practitioners from limited income and underrepresented minority groups. So they offer a number of different progressive educational experience to 9th to 12th graders, exposing them to what it's like to be in the healthcare profession. And so our hope is that we will see more students that participate in the program will matriculate into healthcare professionals and we'll have a more diverse workforce.
I'm not quite sure what I want to do for a career when I'm older, but I do know that I have some interest in like the medical fields. And so seeing the STRETCH courses and being able to go and see other colleges and stuff they do. And we learned like different medical procedures, learned about that type of stuff. So learning about stuff like that was just really interesting and a good way for me to like confirm that I do have an interest in this field.
I think the mission of STRETCH aligns perfectly with our students. Almost 80% of our students are first-generation college students. So there's so much passion and dreams that are brewing among our students, and what STRETCH has done has provided a vehicle for that, where the students have people that look like them talking about their experience, whether that's a student panel, whether those are professionals in the medical field, sharing about the pathway to get there and what it's actually like to practice in the medical field that they're interested in. There's stations, there's activities, there's campus tours. There are things that are actually engaging the students that then transforms the way they think about what they do after they graduate high school.